Hello. I'm trying to show the design of two wheel and the box combined together. The purpose of it is to give the ability to go through all kind of conditions, tough terrain, all kind of terrains used during outdoor activities for those survivalists and preppers. Preppers, they prepare for the future, for the disasters. And this is the first application, but it didn't has to be limited to this kind of application. It can be used by peddler vendors, those survive in urban condition, not necessarily in the wilderness. They have, time by time, they need to carry a few of their belongings, running from one place to another place. They want something to hold the weight of their limited belongings for them, instead to carrying them on their back or holding hand. This kind of design, two big wheel hold up a box. The box should be sturdy enough. Maybe we can design the waterproof for the box. And two wheel actually we should weld the wheel, the axis, from the axis direct to the box, or we can add a kind of framework, wire frame, or a kind of plate of stainless steel as a frame to let a sturdy box be held inside between the two wheels. This is the design. You might think it's too simple and worthless to finish it. I'm not welder. I didn't have welder machine, so I'm going to do the CAD design, computer aided design, and give files to some people who can do the welding and has the welder machine. The small challenge is the X. This wheel, actually we are building prototype, so it's not the best kind of wheel for this kind of application. It has a long axle, but not long enough to easily hold the steel frame we are going to weld on the axis. The two wheel should able to roll independently, so it's easy to turn. And the design is to let this container go through past every kind of terrain, upstairs, downstairs, countryside road, even cross rivers, waters, when passing alongside the water surface. Okay. The idea is very simple, but you know what? I checked the online Amazon or other kind of online shops. Some people design the single wheel or mono wheel for outdoor activities. The price is surprising. They cost over 1,000 US dollar or €8 for a single wheel package carrier. The trailer for people used during hiking. The price is not applicable for our purpose because we have two kind of purpose. The first is for the prepper, the outdoor activity lover. They need some tools to help them carry weights during long distance hiking. And we have the second purpose is for those homeless people. They need some quite cheap but reliable and sturdy tools to help them carry their limited, quite a few day-to-day belongings, to help them maybe carry their food, water, and sleep bag inside the container to save them to hold on all the weight by themselves, to save their energy in the already very hard living condition. So this kind of tools, the cart, the two-wheel and one-box cart, is designed for a category of people. They are urban survivalists. They survive not only in wilderness but also in the urban population, hide in the urban population. Maybe someday they need to put some small merchandise inside the box to sell it in streets to keep their everyday living cost. And in the future, it's not absolutely impossible to sell it over 1,000 US dollars because we can add some solar panel on top of it. Once we finish the low-cost cart, low-cost two-wheel roller, low-cost cart, we can add solar panel at top of it to let its user to use electric powers in wilderness or in case they cannot get access to the normal power sockets. And after we add solar panel, we can add batteries, of course. Then we can add some dynamotor. The driver on the wheel, we can change the design, improve the design to make starting the shape box, to make it improve the volume and the capability to protect things inside it. And we can add a dynamotor, motor driver. Then we get chance to write software for it, to let it follow its user, its master or owner, to save its owner from the necessity to pull it or push his small cart all the time. Once we add the driver and the software, add some chips to control the driver using the power from solar panel, we can finish something, have a degree of smartness to follow its owner, its user. Its user have not necessarily to pull his or her package all the time. His package will follow him or her. Okay, this is the basic design. Currently, I'm doing some CAD drawings. I'm not expert of it. I do know things about software. So maybe I can be more useful at step 3. But right now I'm showing you a design of two-wheel and a box for those urban survivalists. Hope you feel the project is worth to do, to put some effort into this project. It should be a good project. Two-wheel roller that can go upstairs, downstairs, on board buses, trains, go over mountains, rivers, and for outdoor survivalists, preppers, and urban survivalists, homeless peoples. It should be very cheap at the beginning. At least we want to keep it on the not 500 US dollar, but 50 US dollar, the price. We can do it. I know the cost. This $10, this $10, and this in mass production $10, and the frame holding it $10. Okay, hope you feel the design is interesting. We are going to do it totally in openness, so everyone can design it, can build it, can sell it, can make money from it. I don't care if you're not going to share your earnings with me. I don't care it. I want this kind of things be helpful. Yes, it will by design get the natural characteristic of rolling, but the box roll in between the two wheels. It's not going to touch ground, and for those outdoor activities, their equipment should be sturdy enough to be rolled over and over. And if people carefully choose to package their belongings, they can hold the point of gravity to make the point of gravity under the level of the axles, the height of the axles, so it's not very easy to belonging for those who know how to use it and who want the ability offered by this kind of tools to roll over everything, to follow them everywhere. Okay. Hope I explained the project clearly enough to let you know what I'm trying to do in recent days. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your listening. Thank you. Bye bye.